Hello everyone, welcome to Idris Tech Review. Today, we are talking about one of the biggest trends in the world right now: AI tools. In 2026, AI is helping people write faster, research better, save time, and work smarter. If you are a student, office worker, freelancer, business owner, or content creator, this video is for you. Let's look at the top 5 AI tools everyone is talking about in 2026. Number 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most popular AI tools in the world. People use it for writing, brainstorming, summarizing documents, and solving daily problems. It is simple to use, fast, and helpful for many different tasks. If you want one all-round AI assistant, ChatGPT is a strong choice. Number 2. Claude. Claude is known for clear writing, deep thinking, and handling long documents. Many people like Claude for reports, content writing, coding help, and careful analysis. It is especially useful when you want natural and detailed answers. If your work involves reading, writing, or planning, Claude is a very powerful tool. Number 3. Gemini. Gemini is Google's AI assistant and is popular for research, long context, and Google ecosystem support. It helps users work with large amounts of information and gives strong support for search and productivity. For people who use Google tools every day, Gemini can be very useful. It is one of the major AI platforms shaping 2026. Number 4. Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is becoming very important for office productivity. It is used with tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. This makes it very useful for professionals who want to save time in daily office work. If you already work in the Microsoft world, Copilot can be a smart assistant for your routine tasks. Number 5. Perplexity. Perplexity is highly valued for research and quick answers with sources. It is useful when you want to explore a topic, collect information, and understand something quickly. Many people like it because it feels more focused on search and research. If you want fast learning with references, Perplexity is a great tool to try. So, what is the best AI tool? The answer depends on your needs. If you want a general assistant, ChatGPT is a great option. If you want better writing and long-form thinking, Claude is excellent. If you use Google services, Gemini is a smart pick. If you work in Microsoft Office, Copilot is very practical. And if you do a lot of research, Perplexity is very useful. The world is moving fast, and AI tools are becoming part of daily life. The best approach is simple. Start with one tool, learn it well, and use it to save time every day. That is how smart people grow faster in work, study, and business. Thanks for watching. If you want more simple and useful videos like this, subscribe to Idris Tech Review. See you in the next video.